Greetings, and welcome to Stoic Lifestyle. Today we embark on how to transform your life with Stoicism. Join us in this enlightening exploration as we delve into the principles of Stoicism and learn how to transform into a better person. To gain profound insights into this transformative philosophy, watch this video to the end. And if you find this content valuable, don't forget to express your appreciation by liking and subscribing. Number 1. Focus on the essentials. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, the numerous distractions can often drown out our inner sense of purpose and fulfillment. It is within this clamor that the wisdom of prioritizing the essential emerges, offering a transformative approach to living a more meaningful and simplified life. This exploration delves into the intricacies of this concept, emphasizing the importance of eliminating distractions and focusing on what truly matters. The idea of prioritizing the essential is an acknowledgement that our lives are frequently cluttered with a multitude of distractions, both physical and mental. These distractions divert our attention from what genuinely matters to us, hindering our path to happiness and fulfillment. Therefore, the practice encourages us to declutter our lives, to clear away the extraneous, and to direct our energies toward the essential aspects of our existence. Eliminating distractions is not about relinquishing all the pleasures and diversions life has to offer. Instead, it's a call to examine the choices we make and the habits we cultivate. It involves a discerning evaluation of how we allocate our time, energy, and attention. By doing so, we can identify areas where distractions and non-essential pursuits have taken precedence over what genuinely contributes to our well-being and sense of purpose. This practice invites us to embrace simplicity. Simplicity does not mean a life devoid of richness or complexity, but rather a life in which the pursuit of genuine happiness is unburdened by the superfluous. By simplifying our lives, we create the mental and emotional space to savor the essential aspects of our existence, allowing them to shine more brightly. The act of prioritizing the essential is deeply rooted in self-awareness. It calls upon us to engage in introspection and self-reflection, to discern our true values, aspirations, and passions. By gaining clarity about what truly matters to us, we can chart a more intentional and fulfilling course. In the modern age of constant connectivity and information overload, our attention is continually pulled in myriad directions. This often leads to a sense of overwhelm, stress, and dissatisfaction. Prioritizing the essential offers a remedy to this condition. It encourages us to establish boundaries, set clear priorities, and allocate our attention mindfully. By doing so, we can rekindle our connection with what truly matters in our lives. We can nurture our relationships, pursue our passions, and invest in personal growth. This approach empowers us to create a life that aligns more closely with our values and aspirations, ultimately leading to greater happiness and fulfillment. Number 2. Practice self-discipline. In the intricate tapestry of human existence, self-discipline stands as a potent thread, weaving its way through the fabric of our lives. It empowers individuals to control their desires and impulses, paving the path towards rational and virtuous choices. This comprehensive exploration delves into the multifaceted nature of self-discipline, emphasizing its transformative potential in shaping our character and guiding us toward a life grounded in wisdom and virtue. At its essence, self-discipline is the capacity to exercise control over our desires, impulses, and actions. It involves a conscious effort to restrain immediate gratification in favor of more rational and virtuous choices. The practice of self-discipline is not about repression or deprivation, but rather a means of aligning our actions with our long-term goals and values. One of the fundamental aspects of self-discipline is the recognition that our desires and impulses can often lead us astray. They can tempt us into making choices that offer immediate satisfaction, but may be detrimental to our well-being or the well-being of others in the long run. Self-discipline invites us to pause, reflect, and consider the consequences of our actions before succumbing to impulsive urges. Self-discipline is closely tied to the Stoic virtue of wisdom. Wisdom involves the capacity to make sound judgments and decisions, taking into account the broader implications of our actions. By cultivating self-discipline, we enhance our ability to make rational choices that align with our values and principles, transcending the fleeting allure of momentary pleasures. The practice of self-discipline extends beyond individual benefit. It also has a profound impact on our interactions with others. It fosters reliability and trustworthiness, as those who exercise self-discipline are more likely to honor commitments and obligations. This, in turn, nurtures positive relationships and contributes to a harmonious social environment. Self-discipline also contributes to personal growth and resilience. It enables individuals to persevere in the face of adversity and to pursue long-term goals with unwavering determination. The ability to delay gratification and stay committed to one's objectives is a hallmark of those who practice self-discipline. Number 3, embrace change. The one constant that prevails is change itself. It is the unceasing ebb and flow, the ceaseless evolution of circumstances and situations that shape the course of our lives. Embracing change rather than resisting it is a profound and transformative practice that encourages us to adapt gracefully to the ever-shifting currents of existence. This exploration delves into the multifaceted nature of change, emphasizing the importance of welcoming it with open arms and navigating its waters with resilience and poise. Embracing change is an acknowledgement that life is marked by an inherent and unceasing transformation. While the specific forms and degrees of change may vary, change itself is a fundamental aspect of the human experience. It is the recognition that the world around us, as well as our internal landscape, is in a constant state of flux. This practice encourages us to adopt an attitude of acceptance and openness toward change. It invites us to shift our perspective from one of resistance to one of curiosity and adaptability. Instead of clinging to the familiar and fearing the unknown, we are prompted to view change as an opportunity for growth, learning, and renewal. The practice of embracing change also underscores the importance of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and navigate life's challenges with grace and strength. When we welcome change and adapt to it, we cultivate resilience by learning to adjust our sails in response to the ever-shifting winds of life. In addition to fostering resilience, embracing change nurtures personal growth and self-awareness. Change often presents us with opportunities to reassess our goals, values, and priorities. It invites us to step outside our comfort zones and explore new horizons, both within ourselves and in the world around us. Through this exploration, we gain a deeper understanding of our own capacities and limitations. The practice of embracing change contributes to our ability to find contentment and inner peace. Instead of fixating on the permanence of circumstances, we learn to find stability within ourselves. This inner stability allows us to remain centered and composed, even in the face of external upheaval. Number 4, practice detachment. The concept of detachment stands as a profound and transformative element. It encourages individuals to avoid becoming overly attached to material possessions or external circumstances, leading them toward a deeper wellspring of happiness within themselves. This comprehensive exploration delves into the multifaceted nature of detachment, emphasizing the importance of practicing it and discovering contentment beyond the allure of materialism. Detachment involves recognizing that our well-being and happiness should not be solely reliant on external factors. It encourages us to view material possessions and external circumstances as transitory and ephemeral, rather than as the ultimate sources of fulfillment. Instead of fixating on accumulating wealth or acquiring possessions, we are prompted to seek a deeper and more lasting sense of contentment within ourselves. This practice invites us to question the prevailing notion that happiness is synonymous with material success or the possession of coveted items. It encourages us to redefine our relationship with material possessions, recognizing that they can serve as tools for convenience and comfort, but should not define our sense of self-worth or happiness. Emotional equanimity and resilience in the face of life's inevitable ups and downs. The practice of detachment also emphasizes the importance of self-awareness. Detachment encourages us to examine our motivations and desires, discerning whether our attachment to material possessions stems from genuine needs or from societal pressures and consumerism. This self-awareness empowers us to make conscious choices about what truly contributes to our well-being and what may be superficial or fleeting. In addition to self-awareness, practicing detachment nurtures personal growth and a deeper sense of self. It invites us to explore our inner values, passions, and aspirations, moving beyond the pursuit of external validation. By redirecting our focus inward, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-realization. Number 5. Practice excellence. The pursuit of excellence emerges as a powerful and transformative thread. It beckons individuals to embark on a journey of continuous improvement, both in their personal and professional lives, while steering clear of the pitfalls of perfectionism. This comprehensive exploration delves into the multifaceted nature of striving for excellence, highlighting how it can profoundly transform lives and lead to a greater sense of fulfillment and achievement. Striving for excellence is an aspiration to be the best version of ourselves. It entails a commitment to continuous growth and improvement, recognizing that our potential is boundless and ever-evolving. Importantly, it distinguishes itself from the often paralyzing quest for perfection. While perfectionism fixates on an unattainable ideal, the pursuit of excellence is rooted in the belief that progress is possible and that every effort, no matter how small, contributes to personal and professional growth. One of the fundamental aspects of striving for excellence is its capacity to transform lives. It empowers individuals to break free from the constraints of complacency and mediocrity, propelling them towards their fullest potential. By adopting an attitude of continuous improvement, individuals become more adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges, positioning themselves for success and fulfillment. Stoicism teaches that we should focus on what is within our control, which includes our efforts, attitudes, and actions. The pursuit of excellence encourages us to channel our energies towards aspects of our lives that are within our control, fostering a sense of empowerment and alignment with the natural order of the universe. It prompts individuals to reflect on their strengths, weaknesses, and areas in need of improvement. This self-awareness is the foundation upon which growth and transformation are built. By identifying areas of potential development, individuals can set meaningful goals and work towards them with purpose and determination. Furthermore, the pursuit of excellence nurtures a growth mindset. A growth mindset is characterized by a belief in one's capacity to learn and adapt. It encourages individuals to view challenges and setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than as insurmountable obstacles. This mindset shift is a cornerstone of personal and professional development. In addition to personal growth, striving for excellence can have a profound impact on professional success. Employers and organizations value individuals who are committed to continuous improvement and who bring a growth-oriented perspective to their work. By consistently seeking excellence in their professional roles, individuals can enhance their career prospects and contribute positively to their workplaces. Number 6. Take responsibility for your actions. The concept of taking responsibility emerges as a foundational and transformative element. It encourages individuals to acknowledge their role in the unfolding events of their lives and to take full ownership of the choices and actions that shape their destinies. This comprehensive exploration delves into the multifaceted nature of taking responsibility, emphasizing how it can profoundly transform lives, foster self-empowerment, and facilitate personal growth and self-discovery. Taking responsibility is a profound act of self-awareness and accountability. It involves recognizing that we are not passive observers of our lives, but active participants who have the capacity to influence the outcomes of our choices and actions. It is the acknowledgement that we are not mere victims of circumstance, but architects of our destinies. This practice invites us to reflect on our choices and actions, whether they have led to success or failure, and to embrace them as integral parts of our personal narratives. It emphasizes that even in moments of adversity or challenge, we possess the agency to respond in ways that align with our values and aspirations. By doing so, we reclaim a sense of control over our lives and invite positive change. Taking responsibility is an embodiment of Stoicism, as it prompts us to direct our attention to those aspects of our lives that we can influence and shape. One of the fundamental aspects of taking responsibility is its capacity to facilitate personal growth and self-discovery. It encourages us to examine our choices and actions critically, seeking lessons and insights from both our successes and our failures. This self-examination is an essential step toward self-improvement and greater self-awareness. Taking responsibility nurtures resilience in the face of adversity. Instead of succumbing to a victim mentality, individuals who take responsibility for their circumstances are more likely to view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, This shift in perspective empowers them to overcome obstacles with determination and adaptability. Taking responsibility also has a profound impact on our decision-making processes. It encourages individuals to consider the consequences of their choices and to align them with their values and principles. This deliberative approach to decision-making enhances ethical reasoning and promotes a sense of integrity. Number 7. Live a life of purpose. The pursuit of purpose stands as a beacon of light, guiding individuals on a profound journey of self-discovery and fulfillment. It encourages us to define our life's purpose and to align our daily actions with that purpose, ultimately leading to a life rich in meaning and impact. This comprehensive exploration delves into the multifaceted nature of living a life of purpose, emphasizing how it can profoundly transform lives, nurture a sense of fulfillment, and inspire positive change in the world. Living a life of purpose is about seeking a deeper, more profound reason for our existence beyond the day-to-day routines and obligations. It entails a deliberate quest to define one's life's purpose, a guiding star that illuminates the path of personal growth and fulfillment. This purpose serves as a compass, directing our actions, decisions, and priorities toward a higher and more meaningful aim. This practice invites us to engage in deep introspection and self-reflection, delving into the fundamental questions of who we are, what values and principles resonate with us, and what we aspire to achieve in this lifetime. By articulating our life's purpose, we gain clarity about our unique role in the world and the legacy we wish to leave behind. Living a life of purpose is a manifestation of transforming your life, as it encourages us to align our actions with our intrinsic values and aspirations. One of the fundamental aspects of living a life of purpose is its capacity to transform lives. When we define our life's purpose and strive to align our daily actions with it, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. This journey enables us to transcend the mundane and seek fulfillment in the pursuit of what truly matters to us. Living a life of purpose nurtures a deep sense of fulfillment and contentment. It allows us to find meaning in even the most challenging and mundane aspects of life because we understand how they contribute to our overarching purpose. This sense of meaning provides us with resilience and a source of inspiration during difficult times. In addition to personal fulfillment, living a life of purpose often extends its positive influence to others and to the broader world. When individuals live in alignment with their life's purpose, they often inspire those around them by their example. Their actions and choices become a source of motivation and positive change, sparking a ripple effect of purpose-driven actions in their communities and beyond. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stoic content.